The 2024 Super Duty truck might seem like a great thing to buy, but if you really want to get more value for your money, then you should wait for the upcoming 2025 model. It offers more power, improved capabilities, and an overall better driving experience. But don't just take my word for it. Look at these 4 crucial reasons why you have to wait for the 2025 model. Performance. The Ford Super Duty is back, and it's meaner than a junkyard dog. This ain't your grandpa's pickup, at least not anymore. It's a beast built to tackle any job you can throw at it. First things first, let's talk about power. The Super Duty comes with a variety of engine options depending on your needs. 1. Classic reliability. Grab the 6.2-litre or 7.3-litre gas-powered V8 for tried and true performance. Need to tow a house? Look no further than the legendary Power-Stroke Turbo Diesel. This monster cranks out a whopping 500 horsepower and enough torque to make even the biggest loads feel like a breeze, 1,200 pound-feet to be exact. But hold on a sec, Ford hasn't forgotten about efficiency. While exact numbers aren't out yet for the 2024 model, past Super Duties offer decent gas mileage for their size thanks to features like auto stop-start and cylinder deactivation. The Super Duty isn't just powerful, it's also an off-road champ. Choose rear-wheel drive for better gas mileage or four-wheel drive to conquer any terrain. Hill descent control and hill start assist keep you in control on slopes. And trailer sway control ensures your trailer stays in line even on windy roads. And for the ultimate off-road warriors, the Tremor package equips the Super Duty with a tricked-out suspension, beefier tires, and a locking rear differential. This truck isn't afraid to get down and dirty. But safety is paramount and Ford knows it. That's why the Super Duty comes loaded with top-notch safety features like an anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, and traction control system to keep you safe during unexpected situations. The 2024 Ford Super Duty isn't just a truck, it's a statement. It's a testament to Ford's dedication to power, versatility, and innovation. Whether you're a contractor who needs a workhorse, an off-roader seeking adventure, or just someone who needs a seriously capable hauler, there's a Super Duty configuration for you. So if you're looking for a truck that can handle anything you dish out, look no further than the Super Duty. After all, it's built Ford tough, and that's a promise you can back on. Ford isn't one to rest on its laurels. The Super Duty is packed with innovative tech too. The available 360-degree camera system gives you a bird's-eye view of tight parking spots, while Trailer Tow Backup Assist takes the stress out of maneuvering trailers with a simple knob turn. But that's not all. You see, this bad boy has finally broken free from the shackles of conventional fuel. No more being held hostage by the whims of the old gasoline engine. This beast is a dual-fuel champ, ready to tackle any terrain anywhere. Whether you're conquering the great outdoors or navigating the urban jungle, the Super Duty's got your back with its revolutionary flex fuel capabilities. It can seamlessly switch between good old-fashioned gasoline and the eco-friendly renewable E85 fuel, so you can choose the path that aligns with your values and your needs. Want to go green and reduce your carbon footprint? Dial up the E85. Need some extra muscle to haul that massive load? Crank up on the gasoline. The choice is yours, and the Super Duty will be there to back you up every step of the way. But the Flex Fuel Bliss comes exclusively paired with the mighty 7.3-litre V8. Now I know what you're thinking. But wait, won't I have to sacrifice power for all this versatility? Heck no. The 7.3-litre V8 engine is packing some serious muscle under the hood. This is the kind of engine that'll make you feel like the king of the road no matter what obstacles try to stand in your way. Again, you're probably thinking, wow, this thing sounds too good to be true. But let me tell you, the team at Ford has really outdone themselves with this one. They're pushing the boundaries of innovation and customer satisfaction, and the result is a true legend in the making. The 2025 Super Duty is a symbol of unstoppable determination, a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence. The arrival of Flex Fuel in the 2025 Super Duty is a clear message. Ford hears you. They understand the needs of their dedicated owners and expanding the capabilities of this legendary workhorse. But let's talk about something that's also had a lot of people complaining to Ford, and the second reason. Interior design. As you might know, this thing might look like a beast on the outside, but open the door and you're greeted with a surprisingly comfy tech-loaded oasis. Forget the old days of rough-and-tumble truck interiors. This Super Duty pampers you and your crew on any adventure. Imagine this. You just crushed a brutal worksite, but your back feels fresh. That's the magic of the Super Duty's available heated and cooled leather seats with fancy multi-contouring. Whether you're battling summer heat or winter chills, these seats will keep you happy for hours. Adjustable pedals let you personalize your driving throne, ensuring a perfect fit no matter your body type. But the new model takes things to another level. Let's just face it, the current Super Duty's interior is, well, functional. But it doesn't exactly scream luxury. Some people find it a bit lacking, especially compared to its main rivals. This plush factor has been a major selling point for Ram, luring away Super Duty loyalists. But remember, design is something subjective, so I'll just be presenting the facts. You just sit there and watch and judge if it fits your lifestyle. That is why the new one is making a lot of changes. They ditched all the unnecessary buttons for good. Remember that clustered center console overflowing with buttons? It's gone. Essential functions like climate control and heated and cooled seats will still have dedicated buttons for quick access. But most other controls are migrating to a brand new infotainment system, making the whole layout cleaner and less intimidating. Speaking of the entertainment system, it's getting a massive upgrade. Say goodbye to the awkward vertical screen. The 2025 Super Duty adopts a horizontal design similar to the Ford Ranger, offering a wider view and making it easier to navigate features and access information. Plus, the system itself will boast a more intuitive layout compared to the previous model. And even Ram's Uconnect, no more hunting for the menus. This one will be a breeze to use, keeping your eyes on the road and your mind on the job. The all-new Sync 4 infotainment system takes center stage with a user-friendly interface, accessible through a standard 8-inch or an optional 12-inch touchscreen. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation keep you connected and on track, while a premium sound system with options like B&O Unleashed ensures your tunes are always bumping. They want to emphasize that Super Duty isn't just about muscle, it's got brains too. So there will no longer be fighting over the temperature. The Super Duty features multi-zone automatic climate control, so you and your passengers can set your ideal comfort level. This keeps everyone happy on the road regardless of their preferences. And the already excellent Super Duty seats are about to become legendary. Expect upgraded padding that will have you feeling like royalty on even the longest hauls. These new seats will rival, if not surpass, the luxurious thrones found in Ram trucks in my opinion. They'll provide the perfect blend of support and comfort, keeping you fatigue-free even after a grueling day on the job. It will be a cabin swathed in premium leather, seats, door panels, even the armrests. Gone are the days of utilitarian plastics. Instead, imagine tasteful wood accents or sleek aluminium trim, adding a touch of sophistication without compromising the truck's workhorse nature. This is a serious upgrade that puts the Super Duty on par with, if not above, the competition in terms of interior comfort. On top of all this, the new Super Duty boasts a bunch of features that make everyday use a breeze. A power tailgate lets you effortlessly load and unload cargo, especially after a long day on the job. Wireless charging keeps your device juiced up, while multiple USB ports ensure everyone can stay connected. Voice recognition technology lets you interact with the infotainment system hands-free, so you can focus on the road. In short, the new Ford Super Duty's interior is a testament to Ford's commitment to making a comfy, functional workspace for today's truck owner. Whether you're a contractor, an off-road adventurer, or just someone who needs a versatile and capable truck, the Super Duty's interior offers a winning combo of comfort, technology, and thoughtful design that elevates your driving experience. So let's move on to the next reason on the list. Exterior. The Super Duty isn't just a beast anymore, it's a head-turner with a brain. Forget about those rough-looking rigs of the past, this Super Duty is both stylish and functional, ready to conquer any job or adventure you throw at it. Let's face it, the Super Duty has always been the king of the heavy-duty castle. It's the rig you call in when lesser trucks fear to tread. But like a trusty old work shirt, the Super Duty's design has, well, become a tad, well, utilitarian. It's done the job flawlessly, but maybe it could use a touch of modern swagger. So let's ditch the technical talk for a second, dive into what makes this truck a showstopper and a workaholic's dream. First up, the lighting. Standard LED headlights come standard, giving you amazing visibility and a modern look. Want to light up the night like nobody's business? Upgrade to the premium LED headlights with automatic high beams, perfect for cruising down dark roads with confidence. Fog lights are also available to slice through fog and low light conditions, so you'll see and be seen in any weather. The biggest transformation hits you right in the face. The old grille, cluttered with chrome and plastic bits, is gone. In its place, a clean, modern design dominates the front. Think F-150 Lightning on steroids, with a central DRL bar that screams cutting-edge tech. The headlights themselves got a rework too, with integrated DRLs that flow seamlessly into the central bar. It's a cohesive look, modern, aggressive, and unmistakably Super Duty. But don't be fooled by the clean lines. The headlights are slightly bulkier than before, a subtle nod to the sheer power lurking beneath the hood. And Ford hasn't forgotten about efficiency. The Super Duty's sculpted hood and redesigned grille aren't just for looks. They actually help with aerodynamics, which can translate to better gas mileage. Exact numbers aren't out yet, but hey, every mile counts. But that's not all. The muscular makeover goes beyond the face. The sides get a decluttering treatment, ditching unnecessary trim for a more focused, business-like look. Imagine a sharpened axe, all function, no thrills. This focus on clean lines continues around the back, where the design remains largely unchanged. But why tamper with a classic? The rear of the Super Duty has always been a strong point, and the 2025 model retains that familiar no-nonsense look. The only tweak we might see is a reduction in chrome accents, especially on the lariat trim, which previously leaned a little too heavily on the shiny stuff for some tastes. And they also didn't change the fact that you're able to customize. Don't want a cookie-cutter truck? The Super Duty lets you personalize your ride. Two-tone paint schemes, custom wheels, and graphic packages let you create a Super Duty that's as unique as you are. Need to haul extra gear? The Super Duty offers a variety of roof rack and cargo carrier options. This lets you take all your essentials, camping equipment, bikes, or even kayaks on your next adventure. And if you're feeling a sportier vibe, the black appearance package blacks everything out for a meaner look. No matter what you choose, the Super Duty will leave a lasting impression. This Super Duty isn't afraid to make a statement. From the imposing grille to the bold fender flares, every line screams power and confidence. The end result? A Super Duty that feels both modern and timeless. It retains the core elements that have made it a legend: imposing presence, unmatched capability, and unwavering reliability. But it also incorporates design cues that bring it visually in line with the rest of the Ford lineup. It's a truck that commands respect on the road, a machine built to conquer any challenge, a testament to the enduring marriage of form and function, with a touch of undeniable swagger. Now I know what you're thinking. Wouldn't all these features push up the price? Well, it is all about being competitive and bringing a better value proposition after all. How does this thing stack up against the competition? Competition. This is not an easy market by any means, but who exactly is it fighting? We're talking Ram 2500 and Chevy Silverado HD, the titans of the industry. Sure, the Super Duty has incredible muscles, but all of them pack a serious punch. The Super Duty might offer a range of engines. The Ram counters with its Cummins turbo diesel, notorious for hauling and towing dominance. Chevy Silverado HD throws its own hat in the ring with the Duramax turbo diesel, known for reliability and raw power. Specs for 2025 are under wraps, but on paper, this is a battle of titans. However, the Super Duty uses a military-grade steel frame that can shrug off massive loads and brutal conditions. This platform is the same one used on Titans like the F450, known for their commercial durability. Basically, the Super Duty is built to last for years of heavy use, no matter how tough you get. Ford doesn't mess around when it comes to materials. Throughout the Super Duty, you'll find literally heavy-duty components, from the axles and suspension to the engine and transmission. This means fewer breakdowns and lower maintenance costs in the long run. While exact figures aren't out yet, owners consistently praise past Super Duty models for their reliability. But nowadays, tech is king, and here's where things get interesting. Ram takes the lead with its fancy Uconnect system, a massive touchscreen that's super user-friendly. Chevy's Silverado HD has a decent infotainment system, but some people say it's not quite as intuitive. And comfort is another battleground. Ram pampers passengers with luxurious interiors, boasting top-notch materials and heated and ventilated seats. The Silverado HD offers a comfy cabin, but it might not feel as luxurious. Traditionally, the Super Duty has prioritized function over fancy, but rumors suggest a 2025 revamp with a focus on creature comforts. But like we told you, the new Super Duty isn't just a beast anymore, it's a workhorse with brains. And they didn't forget about being functional either. The previous Super Duty reigned supreme when it comes to cargo capacity. Depending on the configuration, it can handle over 7,000 pounds of payload. That means you can tow heavy equipment, building materials, or even a trailer full of gear for your next adventure. But the new model is going to be even better. Here is where the super rugged platform plays a crucial role. The tow hitch receiver is designed to handle massive towing capacities. While official figures haven't been released yet, expect it to surpass the previous model's impressive maximum towing capacity of over £37,000. The Super Duty isn't afraid to get dirty either. Many models come equipped with skid plates to shield the undercarriage from rocks and debris. Locking differentials available on some trims provide extra traction when the going gets tough. These features, along with the impressive ground clearance, make the Super Duty a worthy companion for off-road adventures. Specific numbers aren't available online yet, but expect them to be similar to previous models, which boasted around 11.5 inches. But that's not all. The Super Duty is specifically designed for both hauling and off-roading. Depending on the configuration, you might get a coil spring setup in the front and leaf springs in the back. These beefy suspensions soak up bumps and uneven terrain with ease, keeping you and your cargo comfortable. Some heavy-duty models even offer an optional adaptive suspension system. This high-tech setup automatically adjusts to different loads and road conditions, optimizing handling and comfort. It can even firm up for towing or soften for a smoother highway ride. So, who's your winner? But before you answer that, we need to talk about the elephant in the room, which is pricing. The new Super Duty starts at a competitive price point. The base XL trim starts at around $44,970, while the range-topping limited trim can reach up to $97,095, depending on configuration and options. This range reflects a variety of capabilities offered by the Super Duty. You can choose for a stripped-down work truck focused on pure functionality, or opt for a feature-loaded powerhouse with all the bells and whistles. The good thing is that Ford trucks are renowned for their excellent resale value, and the Super Duty is no exception. Thanks to its legendary durability and reputation for reliability, you can expect the Super Duty to hold its value well over time. According to Kelley Blue Book, a 3-year-old Super Duty can retain up to 70% of its original value, making it a smart investment for both work and play. But there is one last perk. The Super Duty is designed for easy maintenance, which is a huge plus for busy truck owners. Many components are readily accessible, allowing for faster servicing and repairs. Plus, Ford offers extended warranty and maintenance plans to keep your Super Duty running smoothly for years to come. So what are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.